Pleased to have you back on the Grap Coin YouTube channel for yet another gold-related update video. EGLD is continuing to move in accordance with expectations while remaining inside the broader support region. Despite the fact that this is the most current video I have shared with you, there is still at $44.70, you can find the 38.2 retracement and the 100% extension level of wave W. That is an important goal range for wave C of Y. Okay, so it's clear that the full support region goes all the way to $41.80. However, holding this region, reversing, and then breaking would constitute a perfect market scenario. Wave 4 is now underway. We still have the option to form a triangle if we so desire. Many options remain, and the price, for instance, could move in a myriad of different directions. Unfortunately, for the moment, I'm treating that as a complicated WX and Y fix. C wave might be winding down, and an ABC is definitely present in the Y wave. Note, nevertheless, that these ideal objectives aren't necessarily attained. The price has gracefully moved into the area where it can find support. We are well aware that wave 4 corrections frequently involve a reversal of direction and can be quite lengthy. Many years. The result could be that it's quite bothersome. We have seen it ourselves. I mean, this correction started in December when the third wave was at its peak. We may be nearing completion of the correction despite its length. To clarify, witness these three waves. That is the proper component of an error fix. In my opinion, we are nearing the end of this correction, or more specifically, the end of wave C of Y of 4, the third wave. Well, I understand its breakout above the B wave high serves as preliminary proof and an indication that the bottom is in. And that level is $64.80. We need to see a breakout above that level before we can have a good idea of where the bottom is. Be that as it may, that is already solid confirmation. Maybe the initial indicator would be make a breakthrough at $57.25. Depending on its severity, we can now give the C wave a score of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just from that, you should have been convinced that we are almost done with this fix. Quite close. It may only require a couple more squiggles below in wave 5 of C of Y. Nevertheless, we won't be able to get over that peak of about $57.25 from wave 4. Saying this is the base form is simply not feasible for us, so even the most basic evidence will do, like a hint. It seems to be well finished structurally. While that may be the case, I'd want to see it retrace to 38.2 or somewhere near the 100% extension area. Consequently, $44 or $447.0, if I had to guess, would be the ideal sum set out. Yet, in most cases, put another way, by measuring the length of the wave W, you can find the ideal target for the Y wave. $145 is certainly what it is. Now you have the best variant of what you normally. The approaching fourth wave is a good fit. There have been multiple price reactions to that area. The 38-point retracement level is where we are now. Consequently, we may as well try again. Keep in mind that the same spot will serve as a foundation as well. Based on the current indicators, it appears that the pattern will likely continue, with prices falling lower within the correction. Estimate, once the path 4 is completed, we will have a better idea of where the fifth wave is headed. For the time being, I am reliant on the further education aspirations. A level of our budget is $87.30. But hey, $100 is only another one. But they can still change slightly. We will have a better idea of where to aim if we get evidence that the downtrend has bottomed and the uptrend has started. There, Route 5 starts. Should really do it. I think it should start soon. So this orange support area should reflect that. Keep in mind that ABC is likely to be the structure for wave 5. Since the A wave may reappear in 3 distinct phases, it will be challenging to ascertain whether a bottom has really formed. Very well. Because of this, it would probably look more like the B wave, the C wave, and the fifth of 1 are all here. To a certain extent, I can change that genmai. Keep in mind that this particular wave is. Of all, a 5-wave move is not out of the question. The fact that the A waves are really 3-wave motions is becoming increasingly apparent to me, particularly in this cycle. Consequently, the cycle is not totally impulsive and has numerous methods to fix itself, and the likelihood that it will happen is simply raised by that. Difficulty in determining the precise location of the path that has spontaneously developed. Rest assured, I will keep you updated. That is the way it should look. Hopefully you are satisfied with the upgrade. Then please subscribe, like, and comment if that's the case. I am grateful that you did. Leave it.